Going on, guys, David here with a quick build update. I'm at the point where I'm doing some leak testing, and this was a very agonizing loop to put together. It just so happened that I did not have enough room for a double thick 360mm radiator up top, so I had to innovate. I built just like the Linus 900. I think we can all agree to call it the Linus 900. You guys know what build I'm talking about. But this thing originally was supposed to angle one fan inward towards your graphics cards, but I mounted the radiator through the fan that goes through this hinge, so I didn't have to use an adhesive to get this 360mm radiator in the case. So the loop is running fine, no leaks so far. The most agonizing part of it were these two fittings up top, and I still don't think they're as tight as they could be. I might just call it quits and get some hose clamps or zip ties or something, but I just cannot get the proper leverage to get my hand in there to tighten those loops. But I had to designate the entire disk drive area for my loop. There's a lot of odd twists and stuff. You're going to see how I put all of it together later on, but I cannot remove this metal tray. This is riveted on. I don't have rivet removers. This pump hasn't quieted down yet. Still a lot of air bubbles. This has been running for like 5 minutes, so these are the two fittings that I'm most worried about, but I can try to hand tighten them a little bit more. My wrench actually broke. Let me get my wrench real quick. Ignore the mess. Do not look over to your right. Do not look over to your right. Okay, so my wrench, I tried to remove a compression fitting and it was on so tightly that it's dented the wrench, so I might be able to get it back into shape so I can get this in there and give those things a little bit of a twist. But yeah, if you guys have any ideas or any suggestions, gosh, it's tired. What time is it? It is 1:12 a.m. Oh gosh, yeah, I gotta go to bed soon. Work in the morning. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, I'm just gonna work on my cable management. I might go into work just to pull an all-nighter. I have a 7 a.m. meeting, so I gotta get up at, see, the commute's about 45 minutes long, so I gotta get up at like 5:30 anyway, so I might just pull an all-nighter and crash when I get to come home a little bit early. Oh yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, suggestions. If you guys have any suggestions on how I can get in there and work on those two fittings, that'd be great. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.